2013 Chevy Malibu HVAC blend door actuator replacement. Alright, this is about a 2-hour job for the first time. You got to go underneath the dash here, take out the airbag and the air duct. Then you get pretty good view of the HV, that motor up there that needs the gears. Once you get up there, there's a bracket up there that has, it's right in the way. You take it and cut it, unbolt it, and you got plenty of room to get at that motor and control. Also, the tip that I learned is this will come off. This comes off of there, and how I got that apart. This is the bad one, and I took a screwdriver and pried this apart, and this will make it very easy to get at them 5.5 millimeter bolts. Thank you.